In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Ryanair. If you want to view the Ryanair website in a different language, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. This is useful if you're more comfortable browsing in another language, or if you want to match the site to your current location for a smoother booking experience. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Ryanair website. Make sure you're on the main Ryanair homepage before continuing. Once the page has fully loaded, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen, especially near the section labeled for bookings. On Ryanair, the language and region settings are usually accessed through a small flag or country icon displayed beside the My Bookings area. When you find that flag or country icon, click on it. This will open the website's language and location selection menu. If you don't see it right away, scan the upper part of the page carefully because its exact position can vary slightly depending on whether you're using a desktop computer, tablet, or mobile device. On smaller screens, some options may appear inside a menu instead of directly on the page. After opening the menu, you'll be able to choose your preferred language and location. Select the language you want the website to display, and then choose the appropriate country or region if needed. This is important because Ryanair may tailor certain content, currency, or regional settings based on the location you select also with the language. Once you make your selection, the site should refresh automatically or update to reflect your new preferences. At that point, you can continue using the website in the language you chose. If the page doesn't update immediately, try waiting a moment or refreshing the browser manually. One helpful tip is to double check that both the language and location are set the way you want, especially before booking a flight. Sometimes the language can change while the regional setting remains different, which may affect details like fares, offers, or payment options shown on the site. And that's all it takes to change the language on Ryanair. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make navigating the website much easier and more comfortable. If you're following along, just go to the official Ryanair site, click the flag or country icon beside My Bookings, and choose your preferred language and location.